guys, this is Nita Ann here. Welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nita. And today we are going to hand deliver the check that we raised for Pike suicide prevention at our last fashion show. It was an amazing fashion show. We had a blast and we raised over $2,000 after expenses, and Pike Suicide Prevention gets $1,400 of that. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a beat, and I'll be right back. This is Nita Ann here. Welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nita. And today I'm here with two very special ladies, Cass with Pike Suicide Prevention and Nohea, who helped me plan our last fashion show with Oh My Goddesses. It was amazing, and it was cosplay themed, so it's really cool. Awesome. Yeah, you got to check out my other episode about that on our YouTube. But we did so well at that fashion show. We raised over $2,000, and $600 of it went to Dog Heaven, and $1,400 of it went to Pike Suicide Prevention.
Amazing.
Yeah, so we are so excited to give you this check. But before we do that, what good happened from that fashion show?
We love the fashion show. So events like that are really special because it allows us to interact with the community in a different way. Mm-hmm. So a lot of times people who are coming to something like a fashion show are not the same folks who would come to like a resource fair.
Yeah, exactly.
So what it allowed us to do is it allowed us to meet people who we've never met before. And in fact, we have a handful of individuals who are now accessing services through Pike Suicide Prevention because we met them there.
That's amazing. That's so good.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how many people do you have that access your services per month?
So we usually serve over 500 people a month. We just finished our metrics for last year, and we actually served a total of 9,993 people in 2023.
Wow.
Oh my God.
That's a lot.
That's amazing.
Yeah. And what are some programs that you have here?
So all of our services are provided at no cost to the participants. That includes free mental health therapy. We have groups that happen here weekly. We have peer support services, and then we offer all kinds of free trainings, education and awareness to anybody who will listen, basically.
That's amazing. And it's all free?
Yeah.
Wow. And that's what is so great about being a nonprofit, is that you can offer that for free for people. They don't have to worry about insurance.
Trying to make it as easy as possible to get the help that you need.
Awesome. That's great. And you became a shopper.
Yes, I love going to Cheapskates now.
Me too. We went and spent a lot of money there. I think I need to go back there because I think every couple months we got to go back and update our wardrobe there.
I just got a text that they are having like a clearance sale.
Of course, yeah.
70% off.
I know.
So I was like, oh, putting it in my calendar.
I love it. And then if you do go, always mention that you are a new customer from the fashion show.
Yeah.
Because then it just helps, our local boutiques see that it does benefit you guys to be in the fashion show, because then you get lots of new customers.
Yeah, I was wearing a blazer that I got from them at a community meeting the other day, and I told all 100 people about it. So.
Oh my gosh, you did? See, that's how it grows, right? So, and our next fashion show is June, I think 8th or 6th, June 6th, okay. And it's going to be to raise money for Inside Out. So that's a great local organization that helps teens in the LGBTQ plus community. And why are you excited about that particular organization?
I just think they do an amazing job working with our teens and working with the adults that are raising these teens. They have so many programs for the overall families and the parents, so they really connect with everyone.
Yeah, we partner with Inside Out Youth Services. They have a great safe space for young people. They can drop in weekly. They just got a new location, so they'll be able to serve even more people, and they have great support groups and education for parents who are supporting LGBTQ.
That's great. Well, are you ready for your check? So exciting. So Pike Suicide Prevention gets $1,400 from our fashion show. So thank you for all the work that you're doing in the community. You're welcome.
You guys did a great job.
Yes, it was so much fun.
Thank you.
Yay, and we have a little visitor here.
Oh, yeah.
Heyman, you gotta be on camera because it was also a doggy fashion show. So we gotta say hi to the dogs. You wanna say bye? Goodbye.
Bye, guys.